Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Utes, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Utes,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and Utes.
Newts! Harimai! Come here! Look at the moon. I am looking. Hi, moon! I mean, look through the telescope. It makes it look so much bigger. Cool! Let me see. Whoa! Just joking. That was my eye. Now, take a look at the moon. Woohoo! It looks huge. It is huge. The moon is a really massive ball made of rock. It doesn't look that big now. Well, that's because it's so far away. The telescope shows us what it's like close up. Ooh! Can I have another look? Hey, what are those round things on it? They look like holes. 1, 2, 3. Tahi, rua, toru. They're called craters. They're holes made by big rocks crashing into the moon. Big rocks crashing into the moon? Cool! Hey, why don't we make some craters? Wouldn't that be great? Darwin? Or maybe tomorrow. Oh, that's strange. What's strange? I've been watching the moon every night, and I'm sure it's getting smaller and smaller. Look! It used to look like this, all round. Then part of it disappeared, and now most of it has disappeared. What's happening to it? I don't know. Darwin, maybe something is eating the moon. But the moon is made of rock. Yes, that means that whatever is eating the moon is so tough that it likes to eat rocks. We better find out what's eating the moon. Yes, we start tomorrow night. Newts! I wonder where she got to. Look out! Coming through! Morena, Darwin! Morena? What are you doing? I'm going to make some craters, like the craters on the moon, by smashing these rocks into the sand. I'm in! But how? I'm on it! Oh! Ooh. Presenting my latest invention, the crater-making rock booster launcher! It shoots the rocks up into the air, and then they smash down on the sand. Better take one of these. Mission Control, we are ready to launch. Over. Let's launch Rock 1. Tahi, go for launch. And lift off! Whoa! Titiro, look! A round crater, just like on the moon. Cool! Let's make another one with a bigger rock. Mission Control, we are leaving the landing zone. Ready to launch? Rock 2. Rua, go for launch. And lift off! Whoa! The crater is bigger. Mission Control, The crater is bigger. This is awesome! You know what would be even more awesome? A bigger rock! Mission Control, stand by for an even bigger rock. Repeat, an even bigger rock. You okay? I'm okay. Rock number 3, Toru. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! This crater is huge! Oh! Woohoo! Woohoo! Repeat! Woohoo! So, if the rock is bigger, it makes a bigger crater too. You're right. The bigger the rock, the bigger the crater. Kapai! Good job, crater making Newts! Newts! Titito! Look! It's definitely getting smaller. Something is eating it, for sure. Let's go find that moon eater. Hey, Newts, when we find the moon eater, what are we going to do? Ah! Oops! Sorry, Kia. When we find the moon eater, we'll... Whoa! Henny!
Kia ora, Darwin. Hello, Newts. I saw you playing out here in the dark. Can I join you?
Kia ora, Henny. You sure look different.
When I put the torch here?
Whoa! I see what's happening. When you put the torch just there, only some of your face is lit up by the light. Other parts of your face are in the shadows. So you look different. That's spooky.
Spooky?
Whoa! Kia ora, Wapiti. Wapiti, can you help us find what's eating the moon?
Eating the moon? Well, I don't know about that, but I can tell you what I do know about the moon. The moon goes around the Earth, where we live, and the Earth goes round the sun. And we can only see the moon because the sun shines on it. And that's all you need to know.
All we need to know? But I don't understand. Wapiti? He's gone! Whoa!
No, I was just hiding in the shadow. And that's a clue. But I really am going now. Bye.
Bye, Wapiti! Hiding in the shadows. Wait. I'm thinking, what if the moon is like Henny's face?
Oh, thanks.
Ooh, what if the moon looks different sometimes because parts of it are in a shadow? Let's science this. We need something ball-shaped, like the moon.
Well, my soccer ball is ball-shaped.
Yes. Let's pretend it's the moon going around me, the Earth. And Newts, your torch can be the sun. Over there. Okay. Now I can see all of the moon lit up by the sun. But if the moon moves around me, I can see only half of the moon lit up by the sun. And if the moon keeps moving around, now you can only see a little bit of the ball lit up. Just like the real moon. Oh, there's nothing eating the moon. It's all still there. We just can't see the part that's in the dark. So no moon eater. Phew.
Darwin,
Yes?
can I put the moon down now? My arm's getting tired holding it up.
Oops. Sure.
So, what happens to the moon now?
Well, we've seen it get smaller and smaller. I think as it keeps moving through the sky, the sun will shine on it again and it'll start getting bigger and bigger. Will we see all of the moon tonight, Darwin? We've been waiting so long. Well, every night we've seen a little bit more.
Tito, look! There it is!
Wow! Mihara! Awesome! I'm going to look at it through my telescope. I should get the best view ever. Whoa! Oops. Head to DarwinandNewts.com for more.